Hi friends, today we are going to learn about the Autocad 2D. So this is the drawing that we are going to draw. So you can see here, so where you can start this and how we can complete this. So that's the main perspective of a designer. So how easily you can draw this. So first while taking the CAD software, so first you need to give units, enter, then you need to select, it should be in millimeters. By default, it will be in inches. You need to convert that in millimeters and then you need to give limits 0 tab 0 enter and find the tab find. It's a customized option that you can give from up to 8 charts or also otherwise you can give it as 1000 by 1000. Okay, and now you can check it out here. So uh, so it is having the two circles which are having 55 dia and 90 dia. Okay, so first we are going to draw that. So first taking the center diameter, so from here, starting from here, I'm going to give it as some 55 and 90. 55 dia and another circle we're going to have 90 there. Okay, and now if you check it out here, so we have drawn these two circles. Now I am going to take a horizontal line and a vertical line. So take a horizontal line. Okay, take a horizontal line, press F8 so that ortho mode is on. Okay, so I'm giving it some my convenient distance. Okay, I'm going to give it as some 100. Okay, and also the horizontal line. So make sure that dynamic UCS is on because the horizontal and the vertical reference lines, you can check it out with that. Okay, and the line also you may draw it. And now, so you can use the command join. So in order to join these two lines. Okay, and next I need to draw this these horizontal lines. With respect to this, it is having uh, the distance of 8 in between these two lines. Okay, so that means I can use the offset command. So parallel lines are concentric circles. So we will use the offset command. So, and the complete distance is 8. So that means from the mid it is 4 in the top and 4 to the bottom. I'm going to give it as some 4. And then I can repeat this to the down or I can repeat this to the up. Okay. And next, remaining unnecessary portion I need to trim. So this I need to trim. And this also I need to trim. This also I need to trim. Okay. So this we had drawn, and now we need to repeat this along this with respect to this center. So 6 number of items has been copied. Are there. Okay, so we can use the command polar array. So then you need to select, and I need to select these two. Enter and select exact its center. So it is the midpoint that it is going to take. Okay, so make sure that you are going to delete this so that center should be selected. Now you can select the array, select these two, enter and select the center. Make sure that objects have settings is on. I'm going to select the center. Okay, and then I can select the center. Okay, we have drawn this, and now we need to draw this. We have an inclined line with respect to the vertical that we need to draw. So first of all, I am going to draw. So make sure that you need to go for the object snap settings, and then you need to select all. Okay, and then select a line. So make sure that dynamic UCS is on. Okay, dynamic UCS is on, so that you can draw a horizontal line and a vertical line. Then in the same way, that's it. Okay. And next, then again, I need to take a line. So make sure that ortho mode is off, F8. So you can select from here. So with an inclination of with respect to this, with respect to the horizontal, with respect to the vertical, it is 30. And with respect to the horizontal, it may be the 90 minus 30, that is 60. Okay, so I'm going to take it as some 60, escape, and then 60 degrees, enter, press escape, because here the center is lying at a distance of 60. Okay, so that I had drawn. And now I'm going to take the center. You can check it out here. So it is going to have a 4 holes of 20 dia, and also 4 holes of 20 dia, and this radius is 18 r, and this also the having the radius of 18 r. So that I need to draw. Okay, so first of all, you need to take the center diameter, select this one and give the diameter as 20, and in the same way, center radius, I'm going to select this, and radius is 18. Okay, and then unnecessary lines you can trim, or arcs you can trim. Okay, so this I am going to trim, but we don't need that. Okay, and now we have the mirror option, so that you can mirror. You can select these two. Whatever the lines that you want to reflect, so you can use the option mirror. So you can do the mirror for this, and in the same way, you can use the mirror for this one and this one, and for this one, these two lines also. Enter. And you need to give the mirror line. That's it. Okay. And next, so you can check it out here. So it is having a 17 hour with respect in between these two cycles, and it is having 14 hour in between these two cycles. Okay, so that I need to draw. So simple. So for that we have the command fillet, enter. So you need to select the radius. So 17 I need to give. The 17 will be the radius in between these two circles, and in the same way, these two. If you press enter, previous command is going to select. Okay, and next fillet, enter, and next radius, and now the radius is 40. So come here to here, this circle to this circle, it is 40, and from this circle to this circle it is 40, and from this circle to this circle it is 40, and from this circle to this circle it is 40. Okay, and now 80% of the figure has been completed. Okay, so now I need to give the extension for this. Okay, and also the extension for these lines. Okay, you can simply select a line. Okay, and next from this you can extend it with an inclination of 120 with some distance. Okay, and in the same way, line, you can extend it. Okay, so with respect to the 60, and in the same way you can extend it, but also you need to extend exactly at 60, and here also you need to extend it at 120. Okay, now everything is completed. Now I need to join. Okay, so this one on this one, and this one on this one, and then again join this one and this one, and this line to this line. Okay, everything should be joined. Okay, so now I can check it out. Horizontal line, so everything is clear. Now you can check it out. So now we need to give the dimensioning for this. Okay, so here it is having the 4 holes of 20 dia, so this is 20 dia. So you can give the dimensioning now. Also, you can check it out here. So it is not a continuous line, so it is along that dot dash lines. Okay, so that I need to load that. So for that, Now we have, you can select the line by layer. Okay, so you need to select other. Here you will have the by layer, by block, by continuous. Okay, so but I need a long dash dot lines. Okay, so that I'm going to load this. I need to select that. Okay, and then you can select this and you can drag it and you can select this. Then again for this one also same. For this line also you need to select this here. Okay, and now I need to give the dimensioning for this. Okay, so first the dimensioning, it is 55 dia and 90 dia I need to represent. So for that you can select directly the diameter. So you can select the circle and you can drag it, but it is not going to show. So for that, D, enter, and then you need to go for the modify. Okay, symbols and arrows. You need to increase the arrow size. So I'm going to increase it to 5 times, and also text. So I'm going to increase it to 5 times. Okay, and primary units, I'm going to precision, I'm going to take 0, enough point. Okay, and then set current, close. Okay, 55 dia, and then again, this is 90 dia, and this is 20 dia. Okay, so 20 dia, and now the distance between from this center to this center of the circle is 60. Okay, so that I need to represent. So it will be represented only through the align dimension. Okay, so from this center to this one. So if things are going like this, you can go for the object snap settings and you can clear all. Only center I'm going to select. Okay, so then only center is going to select. It will be easy for you to add it. For my head it is 60. And then I read from this one to this one. From this center to inside I'm going to object snap settings. Select this one. This center to this center. That is 60. Okay. And then this we had given. And now this distance I need to give. So these are all the linear dimensioning. So you can select the linear dimensioning. Okay. Now I need to go for the object snap settings. I need to select all. Okay. So from this one to this one it is 8. And then again I need to give the inclination between this vertical line and this inclined line. So for that I need to go for the angular, this line and this line. You can extend it. And then again angular, so to this line to this line to this line. You can this line to this line. You can drag it. This line to this. It is starting. Then again, same way, you need to select this line, this vertical line. It is 30, and then again this line to this line, it is 30. Okay. So this we had represented. And now we need to represent the radius, having the 17R and 14R and 18R that I need to represent. For that, you need to select the radius. So for this, it is 18R. Then again, so this is 70 now, and then radius. So this is 40 now. Okay, so everything we had represented. So that's it, guys. So like this, you can easily draw this 2D object or the mechanical drawing. Okay, so please subscribe my channel. Thank you.